Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's FTM video update for Thursday 11th of August. Now it's been requested, a lot of people saying, oh, you don't talk about FTM, come on, talk about FTM. So here we are with the FTM update at the moment. Now I do want to say that previously I did made the update, and we talked about this resistance line being broken, and the technical target still is in pending mode, right? So if I do take this stick, this measuring stick from the top here to the bottom, this is where you actually broke out of that area. You came down, make some retest here, bounce off those retests, made an inverse head and shoulder as well, and now you're still continuing to rise to the upside. So it's just a wavy journey to go to that technical target. You made another bounce off there. You're still looking to go. If there's any retracement at the moment, yeah, that we're looking for FTM. FTM has a technical target to go to 46, by the way, or even a little bit higher. So you're looking for just a small correction down here on the 4-hour time frame, just a little bit of bounce to the 39, 35, and then bounce off this level, and you're good to go up here. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, who knows, or maybe next week. So at the moment, the technical target to FTM is going to be 4679, and that's what you're looking for. Touch the 4679, and maybe during the weekends, we're going to have to see a little bit of a retracement and a correction back to the downside as well. So that's pretty much it on this update. Nothing fancy, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.